How to turn off active status on your Facebook. Doing this will make your active status hidden and none of your friends will be able to tell if you're active or not. So if you want to hide your active status, first you want to tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Now it will open up your menu section. You can just tap on this gear icon to head over to your settings. And once your settings is open, scroll down a bit until you see audience and visibility. Once you are here, on the bottom part of this section, you can see the active status section. Tap on it. Right now it's active, so it is showing my friends that I'm active right now. But if you toggle this off and tap on turn off, no one will be able to see when I'm active, but the downside is you won't also be able to see others' active status. Even if their active status is on, you will not be able to see if they're active once you turn it off. So that's how you turn off active status. But you have to know that this does not apply to Messenger. It's only for your Facebook app. So whenever open your Facebook app, you will be shown active, but if you turn it off, you will be hidden as a active user. So that's how you hide or turn off active status on Facebook.